Welcome to Raw Timber, where giants are dismantled with precision, where crushers hum instead of roar, and where every shred of metal or stone is guided into its next life cycle. This isn't chaos, it's calibrated force. Hydraulics, twin shafts, jaw plates, drum momentum. Seeing a Boeing 747 dismantled feels bittersweet. Once known as the Queen of the Skies, it carried millions of passengers across oceans, shrinking continents, and redefining global travel. Now, hydraulic jaws fold its aluminum ribs like paper. Even legends yield to time and to recycling. From a distance, the shredder looks like a mechanical beast calmly chewing through chaos. Workers stand clear, trusting automation to handle the danger. This is industrial power redefined, controlled, efficient, relentless. Fresh liners bring a sharper bite to the crusher, like teeth slicing through soft bread. With a steady feeder, rock flows like a calm river, filling the jaws completely. Vibrations sift fines apart like sand through fingers. Guided gently, efficiency rises, wear drops, and the crusher hums like a quiet companion instead of a roaring brute. When the CI-7000 slices steel into manageable chunks, the question follows, what comes next? Do those fragments head to smelters to be reborn as beams and frames, or are they pressed into compact cubes for resale? Recycling is not simply destruction, it is transformation. It gives metal a second life, and that is the real story. The Red Giant's dual shafts rotate with brutal calm, each tooth biting into metal as if it were crusty bread. Designed in Austria and capable of handling 65 tons per hour, this machine doesn't just perform, it dominates. The Hamel shredder runs on a twin-shaft system, delivering up to 700 horsepower. Its hydraulic drive balances torque with precision, ensuring car bodies feed steadily without clogging. This is engineering mastery where raw force meets disciplined control. Watching steel jaws clamp down on granite is pure mechanical theater. The C50 doesn't simply crush, it orchestrates force, energy, and momentum in harmony. It stands among the most respected crushers worldwide because it transforms brute strength into calculated output. Imagine tossing an old couch into a Primax PR 6x600 and watching it vanish. Furniture, bulky waste, forgotten materials all reduced efficiently. It feels almost therapeutic, but behind that simplicity lies serious industrial design. Anyone who has spent years around chippers knows that jammed rotors are nightmares. But the Beaver 90.2 with its 920 millimeter drum, keeps momentum even on knotted trunks. That means less downtime, more consistent chip production, and fewer headaches in the yard. The excavator's claw is not just brute strength, it is hydraulic science in motion. With pressure often exceeding 5,000 pounds per square inches, the jaws grip and tear frames apart systematically. Every piston stroke is measured efficiency, turning twisted wreckage into clean, recyclable fragments. This is raw timber. From aircraft giants and granite blocks to car bodies and forestry waste, machines here don't simply destroy, they convert, refine, and prepare materials for the next cycle. In this world, power is controlled, waste becomes resource, and every crushing motion writes the beginning of something new.